Yes, so let them know Satanigos once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you see the video, just like, share, and subscribe. Same time, don't wait for nothing. You understand? Because you know, so yo, me I bring the heat. And speaking about heat, we're there with Walkerswood finest, you see me? We're there with the fire stick pepper sauce, and we have the Kuno pepper sauce. You understand? Walkerswood, you know what I mean? One of my favorite brands. You know what I mean? For season meat, we put, pepper sauce for your food. Very flavorful. You see me? Big up Walkerswood. You understand? So we have the fire stick, we have the Kuno. But hey, we have something else. As you can see right here, we have 2 beef patty, mild. Because I don't know, we have the sauce right there. So, you see me? So we'll get 2 mild patty. Don't ask me why them so yellow. It's so them look. You understand? When we bake them, I saw them come out. Don't ask me how them so yellow. It's not me make it. You understand them I dealing? Yeah. So we have the pepper sauce them. We have the patty them there. But we do the crackers thing. We never have no water. But a pepper we I did right now. So we have some tea. You understand? A tea me I drink. So we have the tea. You understand? Oh. I don't know the thing going on, nothing in the mouth corner, no dry mouth on camera, you understand? Have a lip balm, nothing in the mouth corner, before delete the whole video. Well, I don't know, Satanigos, been a girl since the days of a fetus, all of the girl them greet us when them see us and them neat up as myself. Welcome to my YouTube channel, big up on yourself. You don't know the thing, we're gonna eat 2 beef patty, maybe even 1, you see me, it depends, cause I could have just split 1 in half and, taste the 2 sauce them, but we are jumping it right now like a bounce about. So here right now, you don't know, as I say, like, comment, share. And we're going to taste the sauce and we're going to start off with the fire stick first, you see me? But first, we're going to pay some bills, you see me? I'll be right back. Yes, so you don't know, Satanigos back again, you understand? And now we're there for taste everything we're going, you understand? I know, me ready for taste. What is this? You see me? Yeah, but I know I'm ready for taste the heat right now. So let's see what them have in the kitchen, you understand? So I start off with the Walkerswood fire stick pepper sauce, you understand? That back here remind me of the pepper sauce that we used to, the most famous one we always use at Jamaica, red too. I don't remember what that one the name, I don't remember the brand neither, I don't want to lie to you. Listen, if you're not gonna make them something, just make them something easy so I can take it off. You understand? Me not see no part pan it to say yo tear here or nothing like that. Or lie me I tell pound. Like I lie, man. No, it don't have nothing. No need for package this look better. Come on now. Alright, see that now? Yeah. So I have the Walkerswood fire stick pepper sauce. You understand? This is the first one we start off with. And as I said, don't ask me how the patty them so yellow. It's not me make it, and it's not chicken patty. It's beef patty, mild beef patty. Maybe that's why they're not golden. It's because it's mild. So don't ask me the foolishness. You understand my deal with? Yeah. So I start off with the one I call the one of brown bread. Look what the steam. Look on the steam. Yo. Look on the steam. You know what? Now start with that one. Because that one is nice and fluffy like my skitty. Alright, you are going to go on now. Shake out the pepper sauce. You done know. Walkerswood. See it there? See it there? I like the consistency. It's pretty thick. You understand? Yeah. So I put look at Walkerswood, you know what I mean? That was a lot! So we're gonna try the Walkerswood fire stick pepper sauce now, and we're gonna see what I go on with it. I'm Nigo Shimara, and this is pepper sauce and a beef patty. As me say, I love the consistency. Walkerswood. It say, that one I say, plenty hot. But not hot like that. Walkerswood Jamaican fire stick pepper sauce. Yeah man. When I wear about something. I don't know if my tolerance to pepper is getting up there, but the things that this dog got a name fire stick, you see me? It's alright. Very flavorful though. Very flavorful. And that's why I'm buy the mild patty. Hold on, cause nothing can have more can, you know. Like, I'm dead serious. It might sound repetitive, but anything that more can, I've got to delete the video. I don't care. So this was the Walkerswood fire stick. You know? To me, I tell you now, I never have to do two patty. You can do one patty. You see me? You can do one patty. And chew that sauce, yeah. Pan the half, yeah. You see me? So now, first we did the fire stick, you see me? Very nice, flavorful. The consistency is thick. It's pretty good consistency. If you look at it, you see how it's moving. It's not as watery as certain pepper sauce, you see me? So this one is pretty good. Big up yourself. That one is nice and fantastic and okay. So that one they have better packaging now. That one they have the thing that you can tear upon it. So how come the one I never have none? Walkerswood. But if I have a word with a team, that little one I need little adjustment. Alright, so that one it have the little thing them, the little part you can just one tear. I'm not ready to have no fingernails still. Me fellas, cutting no fingernail and my girl like when the fingernail nice and clean. It's hygienic. You understand? Take care of your body. And your body will take care of you. So right now, we are moving on to the Walkerswood Kuno sauce. You see me? Big up everybody in my age where you don't know. Remember Kuno rhythm? All of them rhythm, the steps rhythm and all of them icebreaker rhythm. Big up on yourself. Yeah, that song kind of old. That song kind of up there, ain't it? Alright, so here and now we have the Walkerswood. That one name seriously hot. The fire stick was plenty hot. And plenty hot. It wasn't enough for me because if you know, like a few weeks ago, not a few weeks ago, I did it in 2020. I released it a few weeks ago where I ate 5 scotch bonnet peppers. So this right there, light work. You see me? So now we are move on to the seriously hot Walkerswood Kuno pepper sauce. You understand? We are get to that one now. This one is thicker. Whoa. I'm going to see what I go on now. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. You see me? Woo! My God. So this is the Kuno Walkerswood pepper sauce. You see me? My name is Ningo Shimara and let's see how this goes. You see me? Put some on the outside so you can see a joke thing. Alright. I'll get another shot. Let's see what I'm going to do first. Get another shot. So that one is seriously hot. It's seriously hot. I don't know about that. It's seriously hot. Nah, like Walkerswood taste nice. Listen to me, Jamaica. Listen, please. Jamaica, please. Don't bother with no why. Listen, please. Listen, Walkerswood at the... I'm just shut up, because I'm not going to say it. It's okay. It's alright. Why? It's bad. It's bad. Walkerswood. It's hot. That one nice. It's not hot like how they think it's hot because you don't know Kuno. And then it's seriously hot. It's okay. And not really damaging, you see me? Like, how about it? A piece of cow, and I forgot to take out the meat, you know, you see them something there? Yeah. But Walkerswood is seriously hot. Jamaican John Kuno pepper sauce. We think it is hotter. John Kuno, flavorful. But spicy? Not really. We think it like pose a big threat. But, you know, minute burns. Not too deadly. Now, the pepper touch my belly now, so hiccup, and then yes, I got bust on them. And them something now, you understand? So this is where I'm gonna end the video. I'm not gonna put the video a hiccup like a 5-year-old. Hold on, one more drink after Walkerswood. John Kuno sauce. Now that they all over my tongue, I can feel a slight burn. Yes? You see me? But it's pretty good. You see me? I can drink it out here. Walkerswood, big up on yourself. You see me? Up. My name is Nigo Semara, and this is pepper testing, Walkerswood, fire stick, and the John Kuno. You understand? Pepper sauce. Bless up on yourself. I just had these two awesome sauce with a beef patty, and again, don't ask me how the beef patty say yellow. It's not me make it. Give thanks. My name is Nigo Semara. Like, share, subscribe, and just turn on your post notification and hit the bell. You see me? So when time I drop a video, you can get it. Up top. Bless up.